Well, I'm going to de-slime my fish here. Let's set this right here. I got a little water and some vinegar. Just some white vinegar. I'm going to take one of my fish here. Pick them up, and we're just going to set them in there. Give them a little donkey-do a little bit. You can already feel the slime leaving him. Switch him around in there a bit. And we'll grab the other one. Oh, it's a little bigger. Ouch. See if he'll fit in there. And he does. Set him out of the way. Donkey-doo. Ka-doo, 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 ka-doo. It's already slimy. And he's dead. I'm gonna spray myself down. These damn sandflies up here in the north are crazy. Mosquitoes. Oh. Wipe some of that slime off my hand. Give me a shot of that. So there's my bucket. Then you can tell the fish are a different color in there. And that's because the slime is leaving them. We'll even soak a little bit. And we'll give them a rinse down at the filleting station and clean them up. We're out.